All right, guys, what we've got set up here today is laser welding on pipe. All right, so one of the really cool, interesting things about the laser is we can set penetration depth regardless of material thickness. All right, so thin wall pipe, that is a square butt slammed shut, we're welding it out in one pass. On this heavier stuff here, we're gonna look at, instead of a knife's edge, all right, we're gonna leave a 1/8 inch land. All right, no root opening, we're gonna slam it shut. So we've got no setup time on root opening prep, no setup time on feathering tacks. All right, just slamming it shut and welding it out, full pen, no suck back. All right, so here we did our root pass in our pipe, about 20 inches a minute on the travel speed, 0 root opening, right, left to land. We're able to really decrease the amount of setup time. So laser welding, thick wall, thin wall pipe, definitely a viable option. For more information, go to millerwelds.com or contact your local welding equipment supplier.